Meet the next generation self-empty robot.
The Shark AI Robot Self-Empty.
Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding objects day or night. And now, with Ultra Clean Mode, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean Mode combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. The Shark AI robot also features a Bagless HEPA self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to a month. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. This is where cleaning power meets cleaning intelligence.